What's going on, guys? So we got the truck loaded up. We have the kayak. I just bought a Ascend 10T. So we're gonna test it out and see if we can do some fishing in a local creek. All right, we'll talk to you soon. What is going on, guys? So we're out on the kayak. We're kind of just fishing around. We're on this creek right here. Super chill, super serene. And we got the pistol crossbow by William Tell. So we're gonna see if we can maybe shoot some carp or some gar and just stay out here, have a good time, do some fishing, and see what we get. We're gonna do a little stand-up casting here.
Sometimes I feel so happy. Sometimes I feel so sad. Sometimes I feel so happy, but mostly you just make me mad. Baby, you just make me mad. Linger on, your pale blue eyes. Linger on, your pale.
I found a turtle that's just like upside down over here. I'm guessing he got stuck trying to cross this. Come on there, buddy. You all right? Bet you're glad to be out of there, huh? Yeah? Huh. Poor guy was probably in there for a minute too. Looks pretty healthy. He was like upside down, man. Crazy, right? What do you think he kind of looks like? Looks a bit like a George, right? George the Destroyer. He kicks ass. Oh, oh, ooh, you got some claws on him. You all right, buddy? Don't worry, I ain't gonna hurt you. All right, well, I'll put you down. All right, we're gonna do an underwater let go of George. All right, y'all ready? All right, everybody say goodbye to George. Got one. Something small though. I think it's like a little bluegill. Yeah, it's like a little bluegill. It's not moving too hard. Well, the sunfish. All right. Wow, he's really vivid. He actually looks really healthy. Bald eagle.
Skip a life completely. Stuff it in a cup. She said money is like us in time. It lies but can't stand up. Down for you is up.
Well, I think I got something real small, but come on. Oh, little rock bass. What a baby. I don't even know how he got that lure in his mouth. Another one with kind of cool colors. Black fin. Yeah, pretty awesome. All right. Well, I guess that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. All right, take care, guys. Bye.